If you rarely in your life had a flat belly, it's not because there is something wrong with you, it's because no one ever explained the extent of damage that modern conventional food that is pumped full of sugar, fructose, has on your health, and how it trains your body to hold on to fat for your dear life. Sadly, this doesn't end there. We have been completely misled to believe we have to hit our macronutrient goals, which is our carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. But none of this matters if the carbohydrates are full of refined sugars, the proteins come from meat that is ridden with hormone disruptors, and fats that are rancid and create toxic waste in our body. We have been misled to believe that grains are our only source of fiber and that the 5 a day of our fruits is a must if we want to stay healthy and lean.